All right, let's look at how easy it is to adjust the volume on your tracks in Audition. So I'm going to start from scratch. And I'm going to import some audio, file, import, file. And I'm going to bring in voice recording. I am recording my voice, and I'm going to bring in a piece of music. And I'm going to jump over into the multi-track editor. And I'm going to name that multi-track session choose the location where I want the multi-track session to be saved. Click OK. And I'm going to drag the voice recording into one track. I'm going to grab the music and drag it into another track. It's going to change the sampling rate. And you'll see there's two splines here. You have to be very careful. The purple one is pan from left to right. The gold one is decibel level or volume or amplitude. So I'm going to mute this bottom track. I'm going to play the top track. I am recording my voice. And let's say I want to take that and make it louder. I just click on that spline and drag it up. And I'm increasing the decibel level. As an audio file to test as an audio file. And then I can grab it and I can drag it down. And make it lower in Adobe Audition. All right. So I can get those two tracks. I am recording take these two tracks. I can make this track louder. Now I'll mute this one. Let's play with the music. It's way too loud, so I'm going to grab that, the volume, and drag that down. It's as an audio file to test in Adobe Audition. So I've made the one track in the front louder. I'm going to click on that top track and drag it so that they're even, or I can grab this part and just kind of truncate it here. But what I want is I want this track to fade in, right? So I can click on that little volume and I can click again and drag it down, and now it's going to fade in. I am recording my... Right, so I can fade in tracks. Another way to fade in tracks, I'm going to delete those points. Let's drag this back up a little bit. Is I can grab the end here, and when I grab this little square and drag, I grab this little fade in button right here and drag, it produces this little yellow spur type of thing, and that actually fades in as well. So I can fade it in. I am recording. Oh man, my voice is a little loud. I'll just grab that and drag that down. And then I can clip the end of the other file. Let's say I only need a few seconds. And grab that in and drag that over. And then I'll fade it out by clicking on that little button there and dragging it like so. Let's see how it sounds. Audition. And that's some different ways of working with your tracks and adjusting the volume or levels. And there'll be additional methods that you'll learn along the way, but those are some good beginning methods. Remember, I can click on that spline and I can fade audio in and out, or I click on a little box up here and drag to fade in, okay? And grab the clips, I can drag them around, I can shorten them. etc.